Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, ibang activity na naman po, ibang klaseng gawain sa araw na ito. So, sa itong sitwasyon, dalawang tangent na po ang ating isosolve kung ating makikita ngayon. So, itong linyang ito, that is tangent, the other one, tangent. Then, we have this big o bigger arc, MKL, at saka smaller arc, ML. Then, the angle, we have MQL. Okay, so, the measure of the angle is 40 degrees, and the smaller arc measures 140. Now, the missing now is the bigger arc. What is the measure of the bigger arc? Okay, so, ang gagamitin po nating formula, yung formula kung paano natin mahanap si angle. So, that is angle LQM is equal to big arc minus small arc divided by 2. Okay, so paano po yan? Ganito po ang forma niyan. Okay, so angle LQM, that is LQM is equal to bigger arc MKL minus LM. So, ito po, LM divided by 2. Okay. So, divide 2 natin. Next, substitute. We have LQM, that is 40. Then, MKL is unknown. So, minus LM or arc LM, that is 140. Then, divided by 2. Okay, so anong kasunod kapag ganito ang forma? So, we're going to cross multiply. So, cross multiply po natin sila. So, ito at saka yan dito. Then, we have, pag cross multiply, ilalim versus taas, taas versus ilalim. So, that becomes 40 times 2. So, ito po yon. Then, 1 times MKL or arc MKL minus 140. Ito po. So, times 1. So, walang nangyari po dyan. So, then we're going to simplify. 40 times 2 becomes 80. Then, 80 equal to MKL 140. So, anong gagawin pagka ganito? So, since positive si MKL, ito ang ating tatanggalin. So, shortcut po ulit tayo. Pag tayo magtatanggal, ililipat na lang po natin. Sa pinakatamang process po, magdadagdag po tayo dito ng positive 140 at dito positive 140 para matanggal po ito. So, para hindi na po tayo magsusulat, we're going to transpose ang pinakasimpleng term. So, magiging ganito po yan. So, 80 mananatili po sa kaliwang banda at yung 140 na negative, paglipat, nagiging positive. Then, equal to MKL or arc MKL. Then, add po natin 80 plus 140 becomes 220 degrees equal to arc MKL. So, the final answer is 220. Ibig sabihin, si MKL, ito po, is 220. Okay po. So, 220 po si MKL. So, dito ay 220 po ang sukat niya. Okay po. So, thank you po.